May is one of the best months to get results in the garden. The soil's warming up, plants establish faster, and you don't have to fight the weather as much. So if you want quick color that lasts through summer, these are 10 annuals that are worth planting right now. Number 1. Petunias. Petunias are a top performer in the garden. They spread quickly, bloom early, and keep going if you give them enough sun. Wave varieties are a standout choice for quick coverage and bold colors. Number 2. Marigolds. Marigolds are about as reliable as it gets. They handle heat, tolerate average soil, and don't need much attention. They're also useful around vegetables, where they can help reduce pest pressure. Look for the Safari series in your local garden center. Number 3. Zinnia. Zinnias are easy to grow from seed and love full sun. They come up quickly, produce bold color, and attract pollinators almost immediately. The more you cut them, the more they bloom. Number 4. Cosmos. Cosmos are a good option if you want something lighter and more natural looking. They grow well in average soil and don't need much fertilizer. In fact, too much feeding can make them weaker. Number 5. Calibrachoa. Calibrachoa is similar to petunias, but a little more controlled. Smaller flowers, denser growth, and usually no need for deadheading. It's a strong choice for containers and hanging baskets. Number 6. Celosia. Celosia is a texture and color standout. It adds contrast with its plume or crested shapes, especially in mixed beds or combo pots. They also hold up well in heat. Number 7. Impatiens. Need color for a shady spot? Impatiens are one of the best options. They bloom consistently without full sun. Just keep the soil evenly moist. They don't like drying out. Number 8. Sunflower. Sunflowers are easy to grow from seed and establish quickly in May. They add height to your garden and attract pollinators later in the season. They're simple, but very effective. Want something different? Try the mini sunflower container varieties. Number 9. Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums grow well in poor soil and spread easily. They're also edible, which makes them useful in mixed gardens. And they work well as a companion plant. Number 10. Zonal geraniums. Zonal geraniums are the vegetative form of geraniums. They hold their shape and work well in containers or borders where you want defined color. They're steady and predictable. Keep them deadheaded and they will perform all summer. Late spring is one of the best planting times you're going to get all year. If you've been waiting to start, this is the moment to do it. Pick 2 or 3 of the plants from the list, get them in the ground, and you'll start seeing results faster than you expect. What are you going to plant this May? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.